Hera Fairy 3 has been one of the most awaited sequels in Bollywood, and fans were over the moon when the original cast, Akshay Kumar, Paresh Rawal, and Sunil Shetty, were confirmed to reprise their roles after more than 20 years. However, the excitement took a sudden downturn when Paresh Rawal, who plays the beloved Baburao, exited the project unexpectedly, leaving fans and the film industry buzzing with confusion. The big question on everyone's mind is, why did Paresh Rawal leave Hera Fairy 3? According to the actor's legal team, his exit wasn't due to personal issues but rather because of a lack of proper paperwork and agreements from the filmmakers. Paresh's team revealed that they had not been provided with the story, screenplay, or even a long-form contract, all of which had been promised to him before he signed on for the film. As per their statement, admittedly, they did not deliver the story, screenplay, and also a draft of a long-form agreement which was fundamental to the engagement of our client. But that wasn't the only issue. Paresh Rawal's legal team also pointed to a notice from Firoz Nadiadwala, the cousin of the film's producer Sajid Nadiadwala, who raised concerns about the film's production. These issues, coupled with the lack of proper agreements, led Paresh to make the tough decision to step away from the project. In an effort to maintain a positive relationship with the producer, Paresh returned the money he had received, along with interest. On the other hand, Akshay Kumar's production house has claimed that Paresh Rawal had already shot some scenes and a promo for Hera Fairy 3. According to them, Paresh's exit caused financial losses due to investments, crew commitments, and upcoming trailer shoots. They've even filed a lawsuit demanding 25 crore rupees for the damages. In response, Paresh's legal team fired back, stating, first, they accepted the monies but later, unfortunately, sent an untenable notice to our client when knowingly nothing was and is ready, including no story, so there can never be any loss. Sunil Shetty, who plays Shyam in the film, also expressed his shock at Paresh Rawal's exit. In a recent interview, he admitted that he, Akshay, and their families were all stunned by the news. Sunil shared that shooting the promo with the original team felt like no time had passed and that they were right back where they left off, adding to the shock of Paresh's sudden departure. With the legal battle brewing and Paresh Rawal stepping away from the film, the future of Hera Fairy 3 is now uncertain. Fans are left wondering if the movie will move forward as planned, or if this ongoing drama will delay or change the project entirely. Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, Hera Fairy 3 has become as much about legal battles as it is about laughs.